Want to link together your Instagram profile and Facebook page, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Now let's get started. Note that to start this process, your Instagram page must be a professional account, either a creator or a business account to get the option to link your Facebook page. If you need help with this process, check out this tutorial to learn how to change account types. To connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap Edit Profile. Select Page. Then tap Continue. At the bottom, tap Login to Facebook. Then tap Continue. Choose the page you want to connect to or create a new Facebook page. Once you've selected a page, tap Connect to link your Instagram account to that page. Once your accounts are connected, you'll be able to share your Instagram post to your Facebook page and vice versa, and use other tools like ads and shopping integrations. That's all it takes to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Want to change the name of your Facebook page? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.